Hello, I'm Taylor Ryforth from the 3QI Labs team, and I'll be walking you through the mobile app testing module on Awetest mApp. This automation framework facilitates automated functional and regression testing of native and hybrid iOS and Android applications using multiple open source technologies. The Awetest mApp module allows mobile app dev and QA teams to run their tests on physical and virtual iPhones, iPads, and Android phones and tablets across the entire matrix of available SDKs and operating systems. Let's get started by logging into Awetest, then directing to the mApp dashboard, which gives you a quick snapshot and overview of your testing activity. To begin a test, we would start at the Test Cases page, where users build and manage their tests. The Awetest mApp module supports popular open-source automation technologies like Calabash, Appium, Frank, and we continue to evaluate and add support for newer automation technologies. Here we can take a closer look at one of our scripts, YRPin, and if we click on the test, you'll see it's a simple English Cucumber script. In addition to Cucumber libraries that ship with Calabash, Frank, and Appium, we've added additional Cucumber libraries that make it easier to interact with both native and HTML5 or WebView components. This makes it easy for engineering and QA teams to build, maintain, and transition their mobile app automation tests with little to no technological expertise. Awetest also supports inline editing directly in the browser, so you can make quick edits to your tests, save, and re-execute without ever leaving the browser. Next, we can go to the Jobs page, where we can see a quick overview of the jobs we've run in the past, and also schedule new jobs. By clicking Add a New Job, this directs us to the Schedule Jobs page. Here you select which test case we'd like to run. You can select any combination of categories, test cases you want to run, and for now, we'll run the YRPin script we just took a look at. I then select what platform my devices are on, so iOS or Android and tablet or phone, and the corresponding version. One of the big advantages of Awetest is the ability to scale as your automation coverage volume increases, letting you manage hundreds of physical or virtual phones and tablets running a multitude of iOS and Android SDK and form factor model combinations. With Awetest's ability to support that matrix device SDK version combination, we're one of the only solutions that really helps with comprehensively addressing the Android fragmentation problem, with each OEM essentially selling phones with their own customization of Android. We can do this on our device cloud or deploy our customized device lab on-premise. For more scalability, Awetest supports multi-threading, allowing you to execute tests in parallel across multiple devices, which helps significantly cut down your execution time. You can schedule to run at a predefined date, time, and frequency, so you could run your tests every Friday at 6 p.m. Awetest also sends out email notifications if any errors occur as the job is being executed. We chose to start the job immediately, so this will now get sent to our Jobs page and will run on our devices. Here, Awetest supports running our tests on multiple platforms at once on our Awetest mobile device lab because it perfectly exemplifies the capabilities of running 10 plus devices on iOS and Android native and hybrid application testing. For a recent Awetest implementation, our customer was able to successfully execute approximately 100 automated tests across 12 device SDK combinations in less than 1 hour, giving him a 2,000% increase in throughput compared to the manual testing efforts. Once the job is completed, we can see its report on the Reports page. The Reports section lists out the summary reports for each job. It gives you metadata around each run, the device type, test results, number of errors, etc. You can click a specific job to drill down on the results for line-by-line level detail, and you can even see exact durations for each interaction, which gives you a proxy for performance of your application. If there were a fail in your test, here's where you would see it. And what's cool about Awetest is it takes screenshots of the device or emulator at the point of failure to give you more insight and visibility into the root cause of the fail, allowing you to have complete traceability into the tests. For even more traceability, clicking a line in the report takes you to the corresponding line in the script, so you can quickly identify the root cause of a given fail, the steps to reproduce, and even make simple edits and rerun. As part of reporting, you can conveniently export your report in PDF or Excel format and share with other Awetest and non-Awetest users. Finally, we have the Assets tab to support your data and keyword-driven frameworks. You can upload your own data sources, Excel, CSV files, and custom libraries that can be called across multiple tests. The Awetest mApp module, in conjunction with the Awetest mWeb module, which can be used to conduct comprehensive automated testing of web applications on iOS and Android browsers, means Awetest provides one of the most comprehensive testing platforms for all aspects of mobile automated testing. So this was an introduction to the Awetest mApp module for automated mobile, native, and hybrid application testing. Thank you for your time, and you can always get more information at 3QILabs.com, and be sure to check out our other YouTube videos.